So if you want to know the 5 different businesses that you can start up this year that will help you cash out, you make so much money from with just little or no capital, just little capital, just continue to watch, and do not forget to share this video to friends and family. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, let's dive into the main video. So hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you doing today? So if you don't already know, I am Onyinye Okeke, and this is Onyinye Okeke's TV. You guys are all welcome to the channel. So this is the face behind all the tutorials you've been seeing, and this video is all about things that actually inspires me. So I film video or I film content of hairstyling, makeup, gele, cooking, vlog, my daily activities, and yeah, any other thing that interests me. I just come up here, even skincare, I just come up here and talk about it. Today's video, we are going to be talking about 5 different businesses you can start up with little or no capital. Let's say like around $100 to $500. If this is what you want to see, just continue to watch the video to the end. Before we move over to the main video, I just want to talk to you guys about what I sell. So I'm a hair vendor. I sell hairs, luxury hairs. And in case you cannot come to the store because we are located in Nigeria, Abuja, New Banex Plaza. So in case you cannot come to the store, you can actually buy from us. You can buy from our website. We have a website which is www.xpression.com. So I'm going to be leaving the link here on the screen, and also going to leave the link in the description box below. And this is what the website actually looks like. So we have different hairs. We have closures, we have frontals, we have 2x6. That's in terms of closures. We have 2x6, 2x4, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7. We have wigs as well. We have bounce hair, we have wavy hairs, we have bone straights, we have coily hairs. We also have braided wigs, and they are all luxury hairs, and they are so affordable, guys. We also have hair products. Just in case you want to revamp your hairs at home, I have a video on that, a detailed video on how to revamp your hair yourself at home. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below so that you can go and watch it, and when you need to get the product or the product I listed on that video, you can come to our website here to buy from us. So you guys, products are so affordable, guys, and they are quality. So if you want us to also style in any different style you want, we can style for you. We have different colors as well. That's when it comes to the hairs. We have different colors, we have different wigs, different lengths. As in, you guys, come and patronize us, come and patronize us, come and patronize your girl, support our ministry. So the first business that I'm so sure that will actually make you thousands and thousands of dollars or thousands and thousands of money, it's hair business, guys. Hair business will actually make you so much money. So why I actually used like $100 to $500 is because you might probably not get like an expensive hair for like $100 to $500. You just get like blend, because there are different categories of hairs. So they have like, or we have like the synthetic hair blend, and then the real human hair, or the lowest, let's say synthetic hair blend, low quality human hair, and then the high quality human hair. So yeah, you can actually start up hair business with just, let's say, $100, and you can actually go into that category, the lowest category, which is either the synthetic hair, and you will get like good quality synthetic hair that will actually turn out to be so fine after styling. So you go into the lowest of it, the lowest of hair, which is either the synthetic hair or the blend. It will actually fetch you so much money. It's just for you to know your onions, to know what to do or how to put it out there for clients to actually come and patronize you. And you don't necessarily need to get a store to start up a hair business. You can actually do like an online business. Just open up, thank God for social media these days, just open up like a social media account. Let's say, for instance, you use like Instagram or probably like TikTok, and you just start styling, probably get like a dummy. You start styling the hairs, and then you sample them and, showcase them on your, post them on your social media handles, even on your WhatsApp, people would actually patronize you. So yeah, it will fetch you so much money. Trust me, guys. Synthetic hair or probably human hair or lowest quality human hair will fetch you so much money. The second business idea is quality female dresses or quality male outfits. It will actually fetch you so much money because these days everybody wants to look good and people don't like to repeat their outfits. So once you start or once you venture into that business, it will fetch you so much money. There are different categories under it. You can either do like buying goods or importing fashion goods from overseas and bringing them into your country and you start selling, or you can become a designer, or you can also sell thrift. Like I said before, there are other categories under it. Or you can sell shoes and bags, you can sell glasses, you can sell like lot of stuff, accessories like earrings or probably like wristband and all of that, anklets, so many stuffs you can sell. You bring them, you import them from different countries, and then you can come down to your country to fix a particular price of your choice, and then you start selling them. For quality female dresses or quality male outfits, you can either, is in two ways. You can either pay to learn, which will only take like, let's say, 6 months for you to be a professional. So it will take you just 6 months for you to be a professional. You can either learn or you buy goods from AliExpress, Alibaba, or probably like any of those their website online, and then you ship them into your country and then start selling. I actually have a detailed video on how to buy stuff from Alibaba and AliExpress. So if you are interested, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So for learning that to become a designer, I remember when I was getting married, it was just so difficult for me to get an affordable fashion designer to actually make my outfits because they were so expensive, especially here in Nigeria. So most of the fashion designers are so expensive. At that particular time, I almost pay for me to learn because they were charging so much. You can either learn online or you learn like physically if you want an online class. My younger sister is also a fashion designer. I'm going to leave her YouTube handle or YouTube channel name here so that you guys can go and check her out. And yeah, I'm so sure that fashion designing will make you so much money this year. Trust me. So under quality female dresses or outfits or male outfits, you can also sell like thrift. Is that what you guys call it? So you can, that's fairly used. You can also sell thrift, which can also fetch you, not can, it will definitely fetch you so much money. It's just like I said before, make your research, try to know where you can get your vendors, your vendors from. That's where you can be buying the thrift clothings. And then the next thing is just for you to get an online account for your business, and that's it. Business have started, you are busy selling. And then under the fashion industry, you can as well sell bags and shoe alone. It will also fetch you so much money. I know someone that is actually selling just bag and shoes, but she's in Lagos and she's making so much money. Trust me, guys, she's making so much. She bring in goods from China every now and then, especially during the Christmas period, and her shoes and bags are so affordable, guys. So yeah, she has been making so much money since she started, and she's growing gradually, and she's still making so much money. And she sells just online, guys, only online. That's how she makes her money. So another business I want us to talk about that will fetch you so much money is the cosmetics business. Oh my god, that cosmetics business, it gives so much money. I can't even tell, because everybody is going into taking good care of themselves, looking good, especially taking good care of their skin. And yeah, even the men too are also going into that. So it's a business that will never go out of trend. Cosmetic business these days is actually blowing, like it's growing so wild, especially the skincare product is already like a norm, like a normal thing for a female to have like tons and tons of cosmetics. I hear some ladies say they use face cream, no, not face cream, they have morning face cream, evening face cream, and night face cream. Or you hear some ladies say my morning facial routine or my evening facial routine. So cosmetics actually is growing so wild, like so many people are getting into it and starting up a business to solve that aspect of it, to solve the problem. is also a big deal because you will get so many customers. So like I said before, you can start up this cosmetics business with $100 to $500, and it will fetch you so much money because you'll be having turnover and turnover, and you don't necessarily need to have like a shop or a physical store. The only thing you just have to do is just to create your online presence, and that's it. You start making money. And then for the cosmetics, it's also categorized into like two different sections. So like the makeup cosmetics and skincare cosmetics. So yeah, you just pick the one you want to start up with because of the low budget or low capital budget. So yeah, you just start up with the one you know you can afford, and then from there you can build, because I'm so sure that you make so much money from cosmetics business. So moving on, the next one is the nails and the lash tech business. So in this business, you can either be a seller selling retail or wholesale. Let's say retail, because of the low budget or low capital budget. Let's say retail, you can be a seller, or you be a nail tech itself. And learning how to make nails or install nails is not so difficult, and it can only take you like a month or two for you to be a professional. So yeah, you just have to pay like little money to learn, and then yeah, you start making your money. It's so easy. But the only thing about this nail tech, you have to get, or you need to have like a physical store where people can walk in to install their nails, and also install like lashes, and which you can just get like a space. You can start up with a space, go to all those big salons, and then pay for a space, and from there you start up. Before you know it, you start making so much money, and you move from that space to like your own store or your own beauty salon. All right, for the last but not the least is the phone accessory business. This one will fetch you so much money. Phone accessories like batteries, AirPod or earpiece, phone cases, chargers. It will make you so much money. The only thing you just need to do is just to bring in goods from China, bring it down to your country, and then you start making so much money, because people get to buy chargers like almost, let's say, in a year, probably like twice a year or so. So you import them with just little amount. They are so cheap over there, like in China, especially when you're buying in bulk. They are so cheap. So when you import them with just, so you can start with so little, like capital, very little. So you import them from China at low amounts, and then you can sell them at any amount you want to. For phone accessories, you can start an online business, start from there, and then from there you start making your money. Sorry, I had to look down. I needed to be sure that this mic is working. So under the phone accessories, you can start online, and then you start growing from there. From there, you can now make so much money, and then open your store. You import like goods that are so unique. Probably, like, let's take for an instance, like phone case. You just get like the one that are so unique, and then you start selling them. People will patronize you, trust me. People are looking for easy way out, especially these days that people hardly go out. Like here in Nigeria, the cost of transportation is so expensive, so people prefer to just go online to buy stuff. So yeah, you can make yours so unique, and then you come online and you start selling them. You make so much money out of them. And those phone accessories are so affordable over there. They are so cheap over there. And then when you bring them here or you bring them down to your country or wherever you are, you can sell them for any amount. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is the last idea, or I just mentioned the last idea. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you were able to learn one or two things from this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Just drop your questions in the comment section below. If you want me to do like a part 2, or you want a part 3, or you are confused, just let me know. And like I said before, how to import goods from AliExpress or Alibaba, I have a detailed video on that already. I made that like years ago, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box as well, so that you can easily go and check it out. But if you have any other question concerning business, because I've been in business for like years, so if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section as well. So if you're already a business person and you have an online presence, you can leave your handle in the comment section below as well. You never can tell if your client is in the comment section. You can leave it in the comment section below. And yeah, it was nice chatting with you guys. I had fun. Like, I enjoyed the process of making this video. So yeah, let's do this some other time. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn that look to